Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure WhatsApp on Android has a recent local backup and the phone is charged. Next, reset or start the iPhone in setup mode so you can use Move to iOS. This app is the transfer bridge. Once done, install Move to iOS on Android and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and power source. Keep your phone number handy and sign into the same Apple ID on the iPhone when prompted to continue. You now run Move to iOS. Enter the code shown on the iPhone into the Android app, then select WhatsApp in the transfer data list. The app copies account, profile, media, and message history to the iPhone container. This can take time, so be patient and avoid interrupting Wi-Fi or switching apps. Once the transfer completes, finish iPhone setup. Then download and install WhatsApp from the App Store. You will use the same phone number to restore the data that Move to iOS prepared. You finish by opening WhatsApp on the iPhone, verifying the same phone number, and accepting the restore prompt. This imports the data Move to iOS placed on the device. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and power while media downloads. Large chats take longer. If something goes wrong, reboot both phones and confirm the Android backup was local and recent, then repeat the transfer process. One key troubleshooting tip: if restore fails, reset the iPhone to setup mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.